Hi, my name is Davide Dosi and I am Auto Certified Instructor on Maya. And in this video I want to show you how you can customize your Maya preferences starting from May9 Pro. May9 Pro is a set of preferences for Maya 2017 in this case, and as you can see inside of my document, Maya folder, and 2017 version, this version of Maya, I have my preferences. What do you find inside of this directory? For example, you have a preset folder. Inside of preset folder, I have the node configuration for Maya from attribute editor of a node inside of Maya. And one interesting thing is you can create a mail command then run up one particular presets. For example, I use this technique for load up the particles, the particle preferences. So I can, by using a script, I can run up, for example, the water presets or something like that. Alright, after that you have the preferences folder. I want to show you from the top to the low of the list. And the first thing here you can note is hotkey. Hotkey folder contains all the hotkey you have for your Maya configuration. In this case, I have only the May9 Pro hotkey configuration. And how you can read this file? After you open it, this is a mail command. So this is mail code, code, and here you have a command, the hotkey, a variable, the key shortcut, and here you have the 8. 8 is the button actually mapped for a particular name command. In this case, you are using 8 and Alt for load up Prefs relation name command. The name command, as you can see, every command are labeled as name command are found inside of usernamed command. Here you have the ability to read all the name command you have inside of your configuration, and from here you can show, for example, lasso tool, then run up and load up in this way. So if you have a hotkey, probably you have the same version saved as name command. The name command load up or a command, a runtime command of Maya, or a command save inside of user runtime commands. Here you have the command, the mail command itself. So how it works? The hotkey call a name command, and the name command call or an hardcode or a saved command inside of Maya, or a customized personal command inside of the runtime command. These two files are automatically write from the hotkey editor inside of Maya. So you can edit by hand, or you can automatically make the Maya write and read this file, this file configuration. Icons, of course, contains the icons of if you want. If you you can use a PNG, PNG with alpha channel, so your icon can have a transparency. Inside of Merkin menu, you have, of course, the list of all Merkin menu. You can write by hand or using the Merkin menu editor inside of Maya. Scripts. Inside of scripts, you have all the scripts, already all of the additional script. In some case in Python, as this two or this one, and in this other case, Mel. One of the two most important files inside of this folder are the two user setup. User setup are the file that tell to Maya how it run up. When you run up Maya read these two files and automatically run this procedure. For example, can run the interactive play scripts that add the button of interactive play near the play button, or for example preload and store the command inside of these scripts. There is two versions because the mail user setup run up the mail script, and the Python run up the Python code. So the script writing Python need to be run up here, and the script write in mail need to run up in the mail. Workspace contains the Workspace. Workspace are a new feature of Maya 2017, and Workspace is a window is a saved window configuration. In this case, you have the Maya hotkey. Sorry, the May9 Pro Workspace. Okay. Inside of sync color file rules, you have how to the color management of Maya can convert in .txt file Arnold file the elements. I decided after reading the Arnold guide to maintain in raw color space the HDR and EXR. It's because these two files are in HDR mode, so using the 32-bit color space, and when you have a 32-bit color space, you don't need to convert or you don't need to manage anymore. So if you don't use this line, automatically Arnold double the exposure of the file. Even in camera, I already show you user prefs. User prefs contains all the preferences, and it's very important because tell how Maya has configured. For example, here you can see the use scroll wheel that let you enable or disable. If you use 0 is disable the scroll wheel to zoom, and if enable, so I put 1 inside of this line, you have the ability to use the scroll wheel for zooming the Maya viewport. Important when you work on these files, close Maya, saves, and after that reopen Maya. This is very important. I create some kind of groups for simpler editing the preferences. User RGB colors too contain, in this case, the variation of the background. I made the default background inside of Maya for May9 Pro a little more blue than standard one, and last but not least, Windows Prefs store the preferences of the window. In this case, the main window, the main Maya window, run up as maximize. So when you open up May9 Maya by using May9 Pro, you find it maximize. So I hope this video is useful for you, and bye.